When I think of you, I think about philanthropy. And this morning, what was coming to mind for me is a new personal experience that my husband and I are having around philanthropy. And I want to give a little bit of context for this. So, in the past, we have made financial contributions to charitable organizations we love and care for. We have participated on boards of those organizations or on committees to the boards. So, we've gotten active. I've been involved in a capital campaign for one of the organizations that was really amazing. Recently, we were asked to chair or co-chair together an event committee for the annual fundraising gala for one of the charities that we support. And that was a new opportunity for us. And it's been really fun to get involved in philanthropy with an organization we love in this whole new way, because it's not about us and how we're relating to the organization. It's about how we can use that relationship and expand it across our other relationships and get more people involved in this important charity, help raise the awareness of the important work that they're doing, and hopefully drive a lot of new fundraising for the organization and help them meet their financial goals. So it's been fun. And I'll say, my husband and I do a lot of life together, but we have not done anything like this together. And that's been particularly special.
Oh, that's interesting. That's going to be some topic for us to dive into as you learn and you work together on this. It's a big endeavor, Sandy. I'm really impressed. I love that it's all positive to you, not overwhelming. And I think too, my own involvement, my husband and I also give to different charities. But recently, in the last 2 years, I got involved with the PTA, and I would say kind of accidentally found myself on the exec board. I got
That's how it
recruited.
happens.
Yeah, it's Stephanie. It is how it happens. And the best salesman in the world talked me into this role and told me how easy it is. And he's lovely. He's such a great human and gives a lot. So he was just recruiting, and he told me how I would enjoy it. And it's around events and volunteers, and it's a big role. But I love it, and I was thinking about why I love it so much. Yes, you can write a check, and you're really passionate about what you're writing a check for, and then you hope it's used well. Now I get to roll up my sleeves, and it's really benefiting me because I'm making these incredible relationships throughout the school to the point where I annoy my kids walking to school saying, hi Sam, hi Christian. I know everyone, not everyone, but I know a lot of people kind of deeply, not just first name basis, as a result of what I've been able to, do through the exec committee. And it's such a gift.
It's so wonderful.
Yeah, I think it's really important to consider that philanthropy is a very deep and meaningful exercise and can be as deep and meaningful as you want it to be. And it's not all about the money. It's really about the human capital, the spiritual capital that you have toward that purpose driving the organizations that you're caring for, and so much more.